Bismillah. Dear scholars, I welcome you all with a huge, high, and special Islamic greeting, that is Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to analyze with you the advanced date sheet for BG second semester NEP batch 2022 released by University of Kashmir. As per this date sheet, your exams will be conducted in the month of July. The examination timing will be 2:30 p.m. The exam of ability enhancement courses will be conducted on 3rd of July 2023. The examination of value added courses will be conducted on 6th of July 2023. The examination of multidisciplinary courses will be conducted on 10th of July 2023. The examination of major courses will be conducted on 12 July 2023. The examination of minor courses will be conducted on 14th of July 2023. The examination of skill enhancement courses will be conducted by the respective colleges. This was all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If really, then like this video, share this video as sharing is caring, and stay connected by subscribing.